Welcome to Power Moto, the channel for all things motorcycles. In this video, we will be going for a ride. Welcome to the ultimate South Florida biker experience right here on Power Moto. I'm taking you on an exhilarating journey through the heart of Miami's vibrant motorcycle culture. That's right, from Harley-Davidson enthusiasts to Suzuki Hayabusa and Kawasaki Ninja lovers, we've got it all on
Power Moto.
Power Moto.
Motorcycle riding. Stunts like you've never seen before. Beautiful models.
You fake YouTubers, it's on.
And I came to raw. Power Moto.
Power Moto!
Hi.
Ah, you see, you just walked by me, bro.
What's going on? Where are we headed today?
LaBelle.
All right, you guys have a great ride, man. I'll be riding with you. Can't wait to see you guys out there. Have a great time, brother. Be safe out there and have a blast. Okay, all right. He's got the merch.
Check out the merch, it's on Power Moto.
Look at these bikes, man. This guy's going for a ride. Have a great trip. Going to LaBelle. Yeah. Have a good time. I will see you there.
Welcome back to Power Moto, guys, the ultimate South Florida biker experience right here on Power Moto. I'm inviting you to join me for an unforgettable ride, including epic rides to Daytona Bike Week and Biketoberfest. Plus, you'll meet some of our amazing subscribers and the fantastic Luna rides from Miami. Oh my God, so sexy, yeah!
That's an ST, right? Yeah. ST, how did I know? FXRT, all right. Nice bike, bro. Listen to that. Nice, man. What year is this one? Nice. Okay, the original. This is kind of the original, right? 1984 with the fairing. Check it out. All right. And the saddlebags. Marcel's not messing around. Marcel, what about these saddlebags? Tell me. He likes
the line, the golden line that incorporates
this line.
The depth of the bag.
Bro, you got it going on. Set the pace in Miami. Have a great ride today. All right, buddy.
South Florida has it all. Beautiful weather, stunning motorcycles, and the most beautiful riders. And now you're about to embark on an epic scenic ride through the mesmerizing streets of Miami. Because here in South Florida, bikers absolutely rock.
Okay, so what did you have done to it? You bought it with what?
Well, I bought it pre-owned. Shout out Gables Motorsports.
Gables, okay.
The previous owner put an acro pipe on it. Looks like either a full system or just the exhaust.
Where's the acro?
No way, got me tuned acro CBL.
A little dirty right now.
Looking.
Power Commander on it, so.
Power Commander.
Let's go for a ride on Power Moto. We need your full support on this thrilling journey. By hitting that playlist button, you can enjoy our entire collection of incredible rides and adventures. And don't forget to share all these epic videos with our 6,225 subscribers, our incredible motorcycle family. Welcome, Power Moto Gang #1, baby! Your comments, likes, and shares mean the world to us and help us grow. Remember, motorcycles aren't just a hobby, they're a way of life. So get a life, get a bike, and get maybe even a riding partner. And subscribe to Power Moto today. and be part of our South Florida motorcycle family. Let's ride together and show the world that motorcycles are, without a doubt, number one. Thank you for your incredible support.
C1000 Kawasaki, he's going for a ride. All right, Marcel, keep it on 2, baby. Mr. Tour Pack Fast Rider. Kawasaki 1000S. Who washes that baby? That baby's quick, man. I knew they were aliens. Listen to that thing. Wow, can I hear it? It's got reverse. It's got reverse. Look at this thing. It's a spaceship. It's a BMW K1600B. Don't forget the B. Is there a B there, sir? Nice. Whoa, yeah. It's not fucking around. Nice, very nice, sir. Thank you. It's on Palamoto. What you riding? What you riding? R6, beautiful. Yeah, congratulations on your sport bike. That's so cool. Now, you live here in Miami, right? All right, she's representing. I appreciate you. High five to Miami. Chopper! You got the Fury, baby. Fury's going for a ride. Stop the traffic for you guys. I got you. You'll see it on Palamoto. PLWA. Moto.
SkyChampion signing out. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hit that playlist, support this channel, fam, and I see you on the next one. If you like this video, check out one of these 2 other similar videos. And thanks for subscribing. We out.